I think I know what this throw represents. It represents a bird. The bird's beak is here. Its eye is here. Its neck is here. It has feathers on its head. If you notice, there is a lock next to the bird's eye. The reason why there is a lock near the bird's eye is because if information is erased or locked away, people may not know that they have certain gifts. They may not know that they have gifts that can help them see things that they need to see. When information is hidden, it can cause a lot of people to unfortunately deal with things that they shouldn't have to deal with. The reason why I am as I am today is because I was activated, and it was to help me survive a certain situation. And I'm glad that I was activated. I'm perfectly fine. I use crystals and I use sage. I use the things that I was told not to use. But I do notice that in some buildings, frankincense is used. I do notice that behind closed doors, people that look like me are being worshipped. I do notice that people go to certain countries and worship people that look like me. However, on the outside of all of this, that is not occurring. So a lot of people are confused. They think that people that look like me are not the people with the gifts. And so I'm doing what I was told to do. And I know that it will probably upset a lot of people, but I'm doing what I was told to do. And so, yeah.